Bog Walk Gorge is haunted. Residents say mermaids and spirits live there. Some persons who live in the Bog Walk Gorge say that they have witnessed and heard of strange occurrences as well as mysterious creatures who inhabit the area. Eddie Edwards, 69, who has lived in the gorge for 36 years, said that he has seen one such mysterious creature, a mermaid. A bar did in the corner and we in there gamble, and you see when it reached certain hours at night, him would come on the boulder, we dip on the bridge and sit down upon it, and we make noise and him jump off of it, he said. He said at the time they weren't scared of the animal that he described as a very hairy half human, half fish. However, since street lights were erected on both ends of the bridge, Edwards said the sightings have ceased, but he is still convinced that mythical animals live in the Rio Cobre. Samuel Dixon, a fisherman and diver from the area, also believes there are mermaids and other strange creatures in the water. He recounts an incident that occurred about 7 years ago when a fellow fisherman who was determined to capture one of the mermaids ended up dead. Mermaid in the water, but they're mostly up underneath the top dam because a brother dead up there and I'm certain a mermaid kill him. Them, the fisherman, say every time them go up there, them see a certain type of fish with eye big like a moon, he said. Them shoot after him and them only manage to get the scale. The one who carry the scale go a him yard. In the night, some fallen angel come down and sick him out, and some church people come pray for him. He said the sick fisherman warned others not to go back to the section of the river, but his deceased colleague did not listen. Him and the next youth go up there the Saturday and him shoot a portion of fish and tell the youth say, you know say me see the fish, and if you not see me come up back, you know how it go. Dixon said the fisherman was found 3 days later floating under a guango tree. Dixon, Edwards and others shared that they also believe supernatural powers exist in the air. They pointed to a cotton tree at one end of the bridge that they say persons travel from all over the country to perform various rituals. Meanwhile, some other woman from Port Antonio come here, and you see right at the cotton tree, them kill all cow and goat there and throw white rice and rum there because them said them get the vision, and if them not do that, whole heap of people go over in the river, Edwards said. And look, see if you not see 10 penny nail in it. You see them nail there? A wicked people where mash up other people drive the 10 penny them in there. He continued. He said at certain times of the year, especially in December, there are a number of unexplained accidents in the gorge, and out of fear, many persons avoid driving on the flat bridge. Enough time I see most the female drivers, them all come out and walk across. Somebody else have to drive the vehicle over it, Edward said.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
Peeps, from I was a child, I've been hearing tales related to the Bog Walk Gorge and the flat bridge per se. Golden table and cow pull out table and join a river and all sort of something. One cedar tree where them two brothers fight over and them cut it down and they drop and open up water will create the Rio Cobre and all sort of something. You understand? But you know them say belief kill and belief cure. But me know what you feel about this. The thing is that a lot of accidents, some very unexplained accidents actually occur along the gorge. You understand? And sometimes you see some accidents, you try to figure out how this really happened. But is it because of supernatural force, or is it because of people just having this fear of the gorge and they are not as focused as they should be while traversing the thoroughfare and accidents tend to happen? And I know personally, being someone who hails from St. Anne, having traversed the gorge many a times, I know that they drive very, very fast through there and very reckless at times. So sometimes the accidents are out of recklessness and not supernatural. But do you think there are supernatural forces in operation in the Bog Walk Gorge and Flatbridge by extension? Let me know in the comment section. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.